Everyone, it is December the 17th, 2019. It is 11:50. Guys, take a look. I've just got so many on here and so many discrepancies. I just got to get it to you now. All right, here we go. There was a 3.6 Puerto Rico. They got a 53 miles north of San Antonio, Puerto Rico at 15.3 miles in depth. There was a 3.4 Western Texas. USGS has a 35 miles west of Menton, M-E-N-T-O-N, at 3 miles in depth. Now, USGS and EMSC agree on the magnitude, but EMSC says it was 43 miles west of Peco, P-E-C-O, at 3.1 miles in depth. The next one, also on the USGS and EMSC, USGS started this off with a 3.4, downgraded it to a 3.2, Southern Alaska. 10 miles northwest the first time of Anchorage. The second time, they totally changed the location when they downgraded that. They went 9 miles south of Big Lake. They had it at 19 miles in depth. So they went from Anchorage to Big Lake, okay? There was, EMSC followed suit, but they left it at Anchorage. They said there was a 3.4, downgraded it to a 3.2, Southern Alaska. They've got it 12 miles north of Anchorage at 18 miles in depth. I don't know, guys. There was a 4.5, Kazakhstan, Xizang border region at 0 miles in depth. A 4.8, Kazakhstan, Xizang, China border region at 3.7 miles in depth. There was a 4.1 off the shore of Oaxaca, Mexico at 10.5 miles in depth. A 3.5, Mindanao, Philippines, and that came in at 8.0 miles in depth. Now this one came across on the USGS and the EMSC. Alright? USGS started this off as a 3.3, Northern Alaska. They had it 40 miles southwest of Dubuque at 3 miles in depth. But they downgraded that, guys, to a 2.1. They went from a 3.3 down to a 2.1. EMSC has it at a 3.3, Northern Alaska, 149 miles east of Kotzebue at 3.1 miles in depth. Alright, both links are in the description box. Alright, here we go. There was a 4.2 off the shore of Chiapas, Mexico. That came in at 8.0 miles in depth. You're going to love this one. USGS and EMSC said there was a 2.1 New York. They had it 4 miles southwest of Cornwall, Canada at 4 miles in depth. Now, EMSC had it at a 2.1, upgraded it to a 2.9, downgraded it to a 2.1 New York, 4 miles northeast of Massena at 11 miles in depth. Now, I don't know whether they put the 2.9 up by mistake and then took it right back down, or whether they were yelled at and made to take down. I have no clue. There was a 4.5 Timor Sea. That came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.8 near the east coast of Honshu, Japan at 5.9 miles in depth. A 4.0 Mentawai, M-E-N-T-A-W-A-I region, Indonesia. Guys, I did it again. I forgot to put the mileage, but I will put it in the link, okay? Before I put this up. There was, it was at 13 kilometers, sorry. There was a 2.6 Southern Yukon Territory, Canada, 79 miles west of Haines Junction. It only came across on the EMSC, guys, and they've got that at 3.7 miles in depth. A 4.2 South Island, New Zealand. USGS has it 31 miles northwest of TEANAU at 76 miles in depth. EMSC has it at 76.4, so they're the same on that one. All links, everything, upgrades, downgrades, will be in the description box. I will go ahead now and put the change the 13 kilometer into miles for you, and I'm going to post this. God bless each and every one of you. You guys are totally awesome. Thanks for being patient. I just get tired of the numbers game. It really is getting tiring. If they're going to put up an earthquake, wait till you're sure of what it is before you put it up, instead of trying to be the first on the block. Okay? Alright, guys. Have yourself a great afternoon. You guys, totally awesome. Sending much love your way. Sorry it's a little noisy out here. They're unloading a truck at the Goodwill store. Have a great one, guys. Be safe. God bless.